Hey guys, Ricky Russo coming back at you with another box break. 2012-13 Panini Select Basketball. It's a reasonably priced product. It's not easy to get anything super good out of it, but your outlay of money's not too bad, and there's always the shot. I kind of like this. I've done a few boxes already. Probably going to do a case more or so. Just take a chance. But before I give you the box break, I just want to share a little joke with you, if you don't mind listening to Ricky. This is a story about a Polish guy and an Italian, and they both were extremely poor. And they were discussing one day how far they could stretch a dime. And they agreed to meet a few days later to see who got the most value out of their 10 cents. So the Italian, he went and he bought a cigar. And he smoked 1/3 of the cigar the first day and he saved the ashes. The next day, he smoked another third, he saved the ashes again. The last day, the third day, he smoked the last third of the cigar and he saved the ashes again. The following day, he gave the ashes to his wife to spread around the garden to use as a fertilizer for the roses. So he felt for 10 cents, he got 3 days of smokes, and he's got a garden full of beautiful roses. So that was a pretty good deal, huh? But the Polish guy came along and the Italian said, "Hey, I know you can't beat how I stretched my dime." And the Polish guy says, "Hey, I have you beat. For my dime, I went to the butcher and I bought a sausage. The first day, I ate a half, and the second day, I ate the other half. The third day, I used the skin from the sausage as a condom, and the fourth day, I took a crap in the skin and I sewed it back up. The fifth day, I took it back to the butcher and I told him it smelled like crap, and I wanted my dime back, and he gave it to me. So I ate the sausage and it didn't cost me a red cent. I got my full 10 cents back." But the moral of this story is the goddamn butcher, he put it back in the showcase and he sold the sausage the next day as a pepperoni to the first Italian to come in. So, like always, this Italian gets screwed again. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one because I did. All right, here's the break. Enough of that bull, S-H-I-T. All right, the usual Kobe pack, 5 cards, nothing. All right, here's your prisms. I got DeMarcus Cousin. I like these prisms. I'd like to finish a set of these. Prism, DeMarcus Cousin. I got a Walt Frazier, and I got a Al Jefferson prism. I like the prisms. The shine is nice. Ricky likes shine. Then I got a select. What is this? Hall Selection Select. Julius Erving. Beautiful. They should number these things. Nice card. Then I got these red hot rookies. I got Dion Waiters, red hot rookies, Dion Waiters, and I got a Damian Lillard. So that's 2 good ones out of there. This box wasn't too bad. Then I got white hot rookies. I got Kemba Walker and Isaiah Thomas. Kemba Walker and Isaiah Thomas. So they're 2 pretty good ball players. Now I got my autograph. 2 boxes I did, and I got a Quincy Miller autograph jersey redemption again. Redemption, same guy, Quincy Miller. I didn't hear him yesterday, I didn't hear him today. Next, who the hell is this? This is a Prism autograph jersey, Jordan Hamilton. Tell me if this guy's any good, because otherwise I'm throwing him away. I got a Marcus Teague autograph jersey, the Bulls. This guy's a pretty good ball player. His brother's Jeff Teague, also a damn good player. Then I got a nice Chandler Parsons autograph. I think this is looks like oh no, it's just a regular Chandler Parsons autograph. Nice rookie autograph, Chandler Parsons, good ball player. And then I got these Select All-Stars. I got Shaq, Select All-Stars, but the big hit of the box was Dwayne Wade, All-Star Selections. This is the gold version. Prism number 23 of 25. Dwayne Wade, number 23 of 25. Beauty. I don't know what it's worth, but for a $100 box, I think I did pretty good. So that box wasn't too bad. One of the few that Ricky did well out of. All right, guys. Well, that's it. See you soon. Ciao. Good night.